Introducing the 2019 Audi A6 Limousine 2.0tdi 204HP S-tronic SE 4-door A in sleek grey exterior. Packed with luxury features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth and ambient lighting, this saloon is perfect for a comfortable and stylish ride. With top safety features such as ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can enjoy peace of mind on the road. Plus, the chrome package adds a touch of elegance. This vehicle also includes a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing, and warranty for added assurance. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information on this impressive Audi A6.